Hello to my viewers today. In Tech Discussion, I have a very interesting topic. I'll be talking about BBK Electronics, one company that owns OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, and Realme. Well, BBK is the world's third largest smartphone manufacturer. BBK evolved over the last 25 years and took over the smartphone industry. The Chinese company is privately held, and its billionaire founder and chairman, Duan Yongping, rarely gives interviews to the media. Duan started out as a teacher, but his big break came when he joined Zhongshan Yihua Group, where he set up a unit to manufacture video game consoles. Duan left Yihua in 1995 to set up BBK Electronics, in which he held a 70% stake. From the very beginning, BBK focused on three verticals: education electronics, audiovisual equipment, and communications devices. There was the creation of Oppo in 2004, managed by Chen Yongming, and Vivo in 2009. Helmed by Shen Wei, and later introducing new companies like OnePlus, Realme, recently iQOO. So, let's take a look at each of these companies and see how they've matured over the years. Oppo quickly gained attention in the smartphone segment in China. The Oppo N1 became the first phone to feature a rotating camera module, with a rear 13MP lens offering a 206-degree angle of rotation, giving users the ability to take selfies with the rear camera. The phone debuted by Oppo's custom color OS skin out of the box, but users had the option of loading Kanyongen mode onto their unit. Then there was the Find 7. The phone debuted in March 2014, and it was the first in the world to offer a QHD display, with Oppo managing to beat the LG G3 to market by 2 months. From here, it was only going up and up for Oppo. BBK's second brand, Vivo, was tasked with communications devices, and in the last 10 years, the company has expanded to over 100 global markets, whereas Oppo focused on camera-driven innovation. Vivo turned to sleek designs and hi-fi audio to set itself apart. Third brand, OnePlus, had global ambitions from the start. The manufacturer started selling its first phone in the US a few months after China. To this day, OnePlus is the only BBK company that's recognizable in most global markets. OnePlus dominates the demand share in markets like India, the US, and the UK. while Oppo and Vivo focused on cameras and audio as being the differentiator for their phones. OnePlus turned its attention to the internal hardware. And fourth, Realme is a new entry into the industry with first phone launched just 2 years ago. Realme was created as a sub-brand of Oppo to challenge Xiaomi in India, with the brand focusing on the entry-level and budget segments. BBK most recent and high-featured iQOO is BBK's latest smartphone brand, with first smartphone iQOO 3 in India earlier this year. It is one of the first devices in the world to be powered by the Snapdragon 865, and it is available in 2 variants in India. There's not a lot to talk about iQOO right now, but it is clear that BBK wanted a standalone entity to focus on 5G. So that was all. If you like the video and want to see more of these, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You can support me and my team to create better technology videos by donating to LavishWamish. Just go to the link on screen, or you can find the link in the description box to donate. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.